Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how I created Beatfuse, Beatfuse's song Crushed. So I just posted a YouTube video on it, and you can see it sounds pretty decent. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my microphone so it's good for you. Sorry. You can see it sounds pretty good. And so I'm going to show you exactly how to create it. So into AUDIOTOOL, the first thing you're going to need to get is one of these bad boys. Now, this is, I think it's this drum right here. It's, I don't know how to pronounce it, Moto something. And you're going to want to recreate this beat. I can go ahead and play the beat for you. Let me just go ahead and turn that down. So it sounds like so once you get that beat, you're ready for the next thing. So go ahead, pause the video. I'll zoom this in for you and go ahead and copy this. You don't need to add any samples. Okay, so I'm assuming that you copy this if you are going to recreate this. Now let's head over to the bass. Well, first things first, I gotta go ahead and turn this up, because otherwise it's not gonna sound good. And so this is a TB303, and we're gonna go ahead and just change the settings till the tuning's like that. Says that, and that. Now, I'm using pattern 1, bank A. This is already made. I don't know how it was made, don't ask me. This is all being brought over to this. This is a centoid, and we're going to go ahead and change these. This is the bass. Number 2 is bass. Number 1 is drums. So we're going to set it to negative 2.79 for the drums and 7.97 for the bass. So that's going to be carried over to a quantum. Now this is the part where we keep clicking these, and that's where you get all the modulating and all of that from clicking on this. So right now you should hear this without the bit crush, because I have this here. Let me just turn that off. It'll sound like this. If you have that, that's really good. So you can see that I have mine changed a bit so it's more level, but you can see, so I can go that sort of stuff. Now we're gonna hook that up to a crusher. We're gonna go ahead and enable that. Now we get, which is why the song is called Crushed. So we're gonna set the post gain to like maybe that, and then we're gonna have the pre-gain nice and cranked up. The bits is 7, downsampling is just 3%, and the mix is 100%. And then that's brought over to the stereo audio mix, I call it. And this is negative 3 dB for it. And once you're done with that, we're gonna go over zooming on the quantum, and well, you just made Crushed. Now this is completely free to use. If you want to sample the audio, I have a official in makings video on it if you'd like to check out that. But so I'm gonna go ahead and just play around with it, and I'll show you how it works. So yeah, that's how you can create crushed on your own. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in another video soon. The Beatfuse out.